Call 911, please repair to my office.
Okay, coming. What is your problem? Let me solve your problem.
My problem is I can't breathe because it's sobrang tae.
Hello, this is 911. Your problem could not be solved. Thank you. Throw your airplane away.
Best Friend Mentality Part 1.
Sininya bahug buto.
Nanang namaste mo ng baby na. Napili na.
Nganong ninungog man ang bibi na palubo.
Ang mapili ng baby na, dili man na pwede mapikon. Nga nang manglubot na nanay tumoy.
Nganong mura man nagminiat ang bibi na.
Nga nang kata manang ba ng baby na, pakumot na. Lang di ka mo uban.
Asa man ta, mang laki na pod, pas lang sa. Nagkisanti kag pinapiti.
Nana ko sa airport, di ka mauban, bahala ka. Awa, padunggon ti ka sa kuan sa among airplane. Diba, nana ko diri di ka mauban. Hindi ra ka mo kiss, pero dapat imong kuanon para madaang sungo.
May pamong airplane naka-silent mode. Aw, cancel lang sa.
Alangan kay among airplane wala pa man ni marinobit. Wa pa jud ma-repair.
Itawag nag-IT oy.
911, what is your emergency?
This is my problem. You face my problem because you are the solving.
Don't make your problem a problem. Let your Don't make your problem a problem. Let your problem make. Hah?
You continue studying because your English is kinamatis. If I have a problem, then my problem is your problem too. So you can solve my problem because I cannot.
Kuan day oy. Don't make your problem a problem. Let your problem make it problem you. Kuyawan. Kuyawan. Katay.
And a simple word with a sentence is flying in the air. Do not problem your problem. You motherfucker, you fucking bitch, you're idiot.
Because of the word problem, we have a problem now.
And we problem together.
They are fucking shit. I'm gonna fuck your ass.
I wanna fuck your small tits. With your small ansonis. Ayaw, yaw.
And we live problemly. Your small asshole will become an extra large.
Once upon a time, there is a butterfly flying in the water, and the fish is jumping in the rope.
And when you pee, the sound like this. Sting out.
And my fucking ass react, oh my god, it's so cold.
Okay. Your ass will say, stop, stop. I can't handle it anymore.
Visit kalawa akong mata. And my anus continue pooping. Oh, and we study together because we together boo. You make my eyes tearing.
In the world full of bobo, we are the number one.
Yawa, akikinggang kamahalan.
Anak biya to si Herlin Budol. Shout out sa mga bobo dyan. Marami tayo, aminin nyo lang.
Lisod yung kayo ni Muskwila, tag mamayabas ba? Ang ending na nakuha, nabulol.
So I claim it, I am bobo. And I am proud.
And we live fucking together, Bobo. And I am the number one who cheering.
We are bobo. Bobo beautiful.
Oh, haha.
Yes, because bobos only cheer to bobo.
Because you're my best friend and my best friend is a Bobo, then I am Bobo too. You make my day happy and I clap my hands. And now I'm shaving my head na.
Yes, so much. We are so bobo. And we are so happy. Being bobo is very happy.
You can help your cousin to become a Bobo, babe. Come from the sentence. You can go to the world and multiply. So, the it. We are Bobo. Cheer! Okay. It's so funny.
We continue spreading bobos in the world. Thank you.
You don't have a sperm cell to multiply din.
Life tip. If you want to be happy, then be a bobo.
Because Bobo is no problem anymore. Because the problem is already a problem. Lipstick. If you want to be happy, be one of us.